Hello, I'm going to compare Photon versus Bullx versus Nova. So Photon is known for its user-friendly design, making it accessible for beginners. It offers basic functionalities such as tabs for new pairs and trending tokens, focusing heavily on Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. However, it lacks advanced tools and charges a higher transaction fee of 1%, which could impact profitability for frequent traders. Bullx stands out with advanced features and multi-chain support, including Solana, Ethereum, and Binance Smart Chain. It provides tools like Pump Vision for identifying strong upward trends, and tabs for top gainers, top losers, and an Explore section for quick market insights. With a low transaction fee of 0.09% and a professional interface with customizable dashboards, Bullx is ideal for experienced traders seeking comprehensive tools and lower fees. Nova distinguishes itself with faster execution speeds, additional features like copy trading and auto buy, and mobile accessibility. It offers Home extension, Nova Click, that integrates Nova's trading functionality into other platforms, providing flexibility for users who prefer different interfaces. While it lacks certain charting capabilities and an Explore page, these can be mitigated through the Nova Click extension and external tools like Dex Screener. So in conclusion, Photon is suitable for beginners due to its simplicity, but may not meet the needs of advanced traders. Bullx offers a robust set of features and low fees, appealing to seasoned traders. Nova provides innovative functionalities and flexibility, making it a strong contender for those seeking advanced trading tools and faster execution.